Today I arrested one Tausif Sheikh, alias Tausif Din Avelim, residence of Mandapa Avelim, against whom the non-bailable warrant was removed by Judicial Magistrate First Class in two crimes of Margao Police Station. One crime is regarding he has committed the offence under section 3 of Prevention of Defacement to Public Property, and second is wherein one traffic officer, ASI Sambhaji Talwar, had lodged complaint against him while he was performing the enforcement duty. During that time, he obstructed said Sambhaji Talwar and his staff while discharging the lawful duties, threatened him, and also restrained the smooth vehicular flow of traffic while doing the enforcement duty. So in this connection, the two warrants were removed by Judicial Magistrate First Class against him. So in this connection, today we arrested the said accused Tausif Sheikh and lodged in lockup. So tomorrow we are going to produce him before Judicial Magistrate First Class as per the court order for further due course of action.